and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Hello, what's up, you guys? I'm your girl, comedian Arana Lopez, aka Arana Virgo.
Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have an array of comedy videos, musical comedy videos, sketch videos, etc., etc. But ever since 2015, my interest, my fascination, and my appreciation for tarot started. I always was zodiac signs. That's been I always was into that for like the longest time. In fact, being a comedian, one of the things I would do to bond with fans and people that would enjoy my stuff after the show is, I'd go out, shake hands, I'd hug people, and, we get to make a little small talk, and then I'm all like, oh, so what's your sign? You know what I mean? Because it's just a basic, conversation starter or whatever. And what became a fun game to me was to, kind of predict people's signs or, people tell me their signs and I actually know things about their signs and like pay them compliments. It never was to diss anybody or, you know what I'm saying? It was always to bring people closer, because we're all the same, essentially, being on this human experience. But it was also to, bring people closer and, hey, so we got this in common. Okay, cool, yeah, me too. So more and more, once I started really learning my natal chart, that's when like got really exciting for me because it was like, my entire life I had certain tendencies and, certain habits. And you know how people say, oh, well, you're a Virgo, but, you don't seem like a regular Virgo. Or they go, oh, you're such a Virgo. And it would be so funny and interesting to figure out which qualities of myself that people were looking at and poking at to, establish identity. And the funny thing is, they have the same thing within themselves. You know what I'm saying? Me and my little sister would get into it all the time because she's a Gemini. And, she attracted a lot of Virgos all the time. She and I were very, very close. She was my favorite out of all my siblings. We were very close. And she would attract Virgo friends or whatever. But she was so rejecting of knowledge and information that, when inconsistencies and stuff like that would come along, she just would reject it all and pretend that she knew it all. And that's when you would want to end the conversation with her, right? And so it would be funny how she would purposely go on this, tirade to try to find things wrong with Virgos. Because Virgos would be saying, I know it. And I'm like, the funny thing about my sister is I've never done a natal chart ever. But I bet you if she got a natal chart done, she'd find that she has Virgo in her chart while she's sitting here doing all this other stuff. Just like I have hella Scorpio and Sagittarius in my own chart. Lots of it, actually. And I'm a Libra. My Mercury is in Libra. So, my communication skills and the way that I communicate is that of, Libra energy, which is why me and my brother always got along, especially once I got older. Because we knew how to, talk to each other and communicate with each other and find where a person was, you know what I'm saying, and try to interject the conversation, from that level. Anna Maria Griffin, thank you so much for the super chat, sweetheart. That was very nice. So, we were that way. And that's, the bond that we had with each other. And I put in an application for a specific, television show because I'm trying to get us to be a family again. For a specific, television show because I'm trying to get us to be a family again.
I can't do it by myself. These are grown people. But like I mentioned in my podcast earlier, for part 1 that I released, I'm not the type of person that likes to live in childhood and blame everything on my parents. Truth be told, they were who they were. They did what they did, and all of that was fantastic, whatever, good and bad. But once I became an adult, the reason why I accomplished the different things I accomplished is because I went off and did my own thing. I was on my alchemist stuff. If you've never read the book, The Alchemist, you got to read it. It's the best book. In fact, I think I'm going to go back to, thank you, God. I think I'm going to go back to my book club idea. And instead of it being something that's all over the place, I'll just start making my book clubs on live. I'll just start doing my book clubs here.
And whatever live will be about the recommended reading, and that's just how I'm gonna do it. Because one of the things I started doing last year, before all this stuff happened, I have really been hurt really, really, really bad, you guys. Really bad. And a lot of it was so avoidable and so unnecessary. It was so avoidable. And I begged over and over and over again, hey, just leave me alone. It's good, it's fine, it's whatever. I don't even care no more. Just let it go, leave me alone. And because I was being drugged through the mud for a lot of stuff. It's well, you won't let it go, just let it go, let it go. But that's the thing, I did let it go, but it keeps coming back into my experience after I let it go. So why are people still telling me to let it go when I'm not the one keeping it alive? And then when you start digging through the bullshit and going through what it all uncovers, it's oh, that's why it's still alive. Somebody that continues to throw rocks and hide their hands. And I'm just over it. I shared this before. But I did a reading before I decided, and you know what? Hold on. Because I want to put this in the podcast too. 4 seconds. Let me just. I don't care what YouTube take. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. But I told her thank you, and I want to make sure I type it really quickly. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Thank you. If you get out of your comfort zone, I'm not in my comfort zone. I don't know. Whatever. So, okay, people, I have friends that's messaging me and they're giving me like loving messages and I appreciate it. I was just confused about what she just sent me though. I was like, huh? But it's cool. Anywho, I did a reading before all of this started and the first card that I pulled was the devil card. And I'm talking about back in 2017 before everybody went to court, before all that stuff happened in 2017. It's 7 p.m. One second. It's just, okay, wait. Well, I'm going to try to say some of this, but it's fine. I pulled this card before everybody went to court. I'm going to put this in my podcast, because the thing is, I've been trying to work smarter now instead of harder. Like, the other day, I liked what I did by putting everything together at once. And I still have more to do. Like, this wasn't going to be my final location or whatever. I was going other places, especially since I had the hamburger, and it didn't really do nothing. It's kind of like, the hamburger kind of laughed at me. I was like, damn, I'm still hungry. Eric Rom! Hey, boo, how you doing? How you doing? The food in my hair. There's no food in my hair. That's the way light looks. Like, this is the lighting. This is like the lighting. Oh, I got some of my sweater or whatever. Whatever. Like, whatever. What's crazy is that's another reason why I wanted to go on my storage unit, because I wanted my other wig. I was done with this one. And I kind of missed my older one, because the older one, at least I can wash it. Like, you know, I wash it and condition it and I can just throw it on. Like, that was the beauty of it. And I miss being able to do that. Like, see, this was just like a cheap little $20 wig I bought. And I supported it because it was Beverly Johnson. And y'all saw it when it was brand new. It was flowing, honey. It was gorgeous, darling. And it's still not bad. You know, it's because it's not actual hair. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not actual hair. You can't wash it and make it, you know, all of the stuff that it's supposed to be. You know? Me personally, I like everything. I was never into wigs and stuff like that until I became an entertainer. When I became an entertainer, that's what happened. Because what it is you're under all of these lights and you're under all of this, you know, on set and all this. Everybody don't know how to do black hair. I mean, it's just the truth. Everybody does not know how to do black hair. And so you'll end up, I got a story to share, even about working on the 50 Cent show. You'll be, you know, letting these people play around in your hair, do all this stuff, and then they end up damaging your shit. And then you gotta go to, you know, your cosmetologist, and they gotta clean up the dirty work of what these other people did when I was playing in here. Because, you know, everybody don't know how to do black hair. People be licensed cosmetologists, but they specialize, you know, and a lot of them don't specialize in black hair. There are a lot that do, and they're great at what they do. In fact, one of the ladies who did my hair, in fact, all the ladies who did hair at Wild Now, they were fantastic. They were awesome. They knew what they was doing. Some of these other heifers, no. And so you just start being like, okay, no thank you, I got my hair in braids, and I'll put a wig on. And then it works out because, especially when you take headshots, people want your look to be the same. And unless you're trying to buy headshots every 6 months, every year, blah, 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 you keep a consistent wig or look or whatever that you can just throw on or whatever, because you don't always get auditions and things like that and get a whole lot of time to prepare. Sometimes you get some hours before, you get it the night before. You know what I'm saying? It's not like this thing where, you know, a lot of people, especially back home, would talk to me about auditions like it's like planning a trip. People would talk to me like it was like, you know, you planning a trip to go to Disney World. And you know, you plan your trip, and you got your itinerary, and you got all your stuff, and you're going and you're planning your trip, and you're picking out your clothes, because you have this event that you're looking forward to, that you're making plans to get there. People was talking to me from back home like auditions work that way. People were talking to me like auditions are some stuff that I can just plan out my whole, oh, I got an audition coming up. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and this is the wardrobe, and this is the shoes, and you don't always get that luxury. It's not always that, you know, whatever. And even though I'm a woman, and I'm a comic, and I'm a performer, every show is not a production. Every show is not all about, now, your comedy special? Yes. Your first performance on television and things of those natures? Yes. Anytime you do any type of television? Yes. But, you know, just shows at the comedy club or a show that you're throwing or whatever, it's hit or miss. It's one of those, you can make a big deal out of your wardrobe if you want to, but nobody cares about that. And it would be things like that where people would be all up on me trying to, you know, insert, you know, all their extraness on me and my events and my stuff, and they don't even know how it works. So anyway, I had to say, people would talk to me about auditions like it was something that, you know, like you going on vacation or something and you just plan everything out. It doesn't work that way. You have to be just ready to go. Because they may use you, they may not. You just have to be ready to go. You just have to show up and show those casting agents why you can bring something to this production. They'll give you a script. You better put your own spice on it. Because, and Man, I've invested so much in this damn like career and all of this stuff. I've trained with some dope actors and been in acting workshops and all of this stuff, commercials, all that jazz. And everybody will tell you, you show up and you give whatever they wrote some spice because they don't always know what they're looking for, but they want something interesting and something that's gonna play out on the screen because they want the show to get picked up. They want the shit to get on TV so they can get a check. So if you're uninteresting, if you're not providing anything that gives it any context or anything different, then they, 9 times 10 they're not gonna roll with you because they're trying to get a check. This is a job. This is a business. You know what I mean? They want to make stars. They want to find stars. They want to promote stars. And so there has to be something that you're giving them to show them, yo, you just ran with a star, baby. You know what I mean? Which is why, you know, for us, you know, we come in and we, you know, have our little looks. But I love natural hair. I've been natural, almost a decade, except for, you know, that period of time where I went back to relaxing my hair because I was on my Sade vibe. And it was cool. But the thing about relaxing your hair, when you go too long without putting a relaxing your hair, now your hair damaged. Now your hair ruined. If you stay with relaxing your hair, you're good. But now your hair damaged, now your hair ruined. And because I've seen recent stuff in headlines and stuff that like relaxing are leading to cancer, I'm like, oh, well, you know, it's a good thing that I ain't really relaxed my hair, whatever. Okay, so anyway, let's go. Okay, so this person is voicemailing me because, you know, people hate for me to speak my little truth, and so they're always like cyber stalking and harassing me. Dude, let me put this in here to see this bar, this person. All right, it's so annoying. It's literally like 50 is a child, dude. He's grown as hell. He's 44 because my brother's 46 and he's 2 years younger than my brother. Like, he's a kid, man. Dude, I ain't got time to sit up here and argue back and forth with you about who said what, who did what, and I don't give a fuck. I ain't got time to argue with you, and you want, okay, I was just somebody that showed up at a meet and greet, but you was acting like you went in the bed with me telling me all of Amari Hardwick's business. Nigga, what? You get the fuck out of my face? Like I care. Like, came to see me at the Ramada after Power one day, and, you know,
Because he was bullshitting. And like he thought I was gonna wait all day for him. And I didn't. I went and took myself on a field trip. I had a fabulous time. I went to the Museum of Sex. I had all kind of like this person is trying to be no, I'm talking to other people. See, this is what happens every time I start doing lives, and this is why I started hating doing lives until I got my my office or my other stuff. And this is another reason why I fucking hate that dude, and I don't ever want to see him again in my life. Like, don't send me no pictures, don't text me, stay the hell out of my inbox showing me things. I'm avoiding him on purpose. I don't want to see him. I don't want to talk to him. He don't have nothing I want, ever, at all. This nigga ruined my life. I don't want nothing from him. Everything that I thought was real about him was a fucking fraud. It was a fucking facade. And I don't want to talk to nobody like that. I don't want to deal with nobody like that. I never had any problem doing my own thing, finding my own group, and getting my own shine my own way. Even the stuff that people are talking about with any of my previous relationships, I'm going to just save all of y'all some time for people that's in LA. A lot of these motherfuckers have been fucked out and ran through. All of them. All of them. All of them. ALL, all of them. So for people to sit up here and focus on me when I ain't really been on much or nothing, I thought I was quite boring, to be honest. To be real. I really thought I was quite boring. But for all of this attention to be geared and garnered toward me, it didn't even start till you got in the picture. That's where all this stupid shit came from. So much. He's so much of a narcissist that I'm still getting messages. I don't even care. Leave me alone. I'm not even talking to you. Leave me alone. But you want me to care. I don't. There's nothing you can ever do to make me care anymore. The stuff that I tried to care about, you shitted on it, and so it's over. Leave me alone. And this is what I was showing you guys. Okay, so check it out. Before I could even shuffle my deck, yo. Before I even shuffled my deck, top card. Okay, when I was thinking about him, top card. And directly on the bottom was the chariot. And chariot is a cancer card. Okay? And that's his sign.
An arrival. Some coming your way. Some authority, deception, trickster, trying to take a shortcut. But you end up stabbing yourself in the end. 5 of Wands, conflict. The number of 5 is always a change. 5 is the number of change. Change, challenges. 50, 5 plus 0 is 5. 5, challenges, changes, conflict. I'm good. No, thank you. I tried so hard to just maintain some patience with the guy. I tried everything I could think of to have patience with this man. Despite what everybody was talking about, because I'm not easily ruffled, honestly. Like, people could talk and I let them talk and talk around me and talk over me. It is what it is. The type of household I grew up in, I'm used to it. I wasn't tripping. But then to underhandedly backstab me over and over and over and over again, and I'm doing nothing to you? Man, get the hell out of my life. Like, so basically what's happening, you guys, is this entire YouTube channel is going to showcase my comedy. Okay, it's going to showcase all of the stuff that's been showcasing, my and all that stuff. And it's going to showcase this place be dirty as fuck until I decide to go out. Cloud chasing is ridiculous, dude. This is another reason why I'm going back to a regular day job. This is why. Y'all are witnessing all the reasons why I'm going back to a regular day job. This is why. I hate this shit. I hate all this shit. I never wanted any of this shit. Like, the fun that I was having with my astrology videos and my content was because I was entertaining genuine people and we was having a good time. And then people had to come and hate on that good time. And that's fine. God bless them. Let them hate on that good time. But what's not about to happen, I'm not about to continue to do this. I'd rather go get a regular boring ass job. Yes, a regular boring ass job. Get my paper together and just quietly build businesses and get real estate. And then do stand-up. Stand-up is forever. I'm doing this. Like, there's nobody that's gonna stop me from doing stand-up. I don't give a fuck. I will have to, if I gotta take my shit to some Michael Collier shit and start doing stand-up at the fucking beach, it's going there. I'm telling y'all that now. If I got to get my Michael Collier on, it's gonna go there. Stand-up is stakes. I ended my marriage over stand-up. I will end every relationship over stand-up. Period. I had to walk away from people who, on paper, was a good look because they were trying to get in between me and stand-up. I'm not taking it. I'm not doing it. I took a hiatus from it because there was so much that was happening behind the scenes with this fish shit. And I was like, all right, well, maybe this is just, I want a family. And because I was almost pregnant by this fool, maybe this is a sign that I need to start putting forth, like family things. Maybe I need to put, what I'm doing on the side and put love first. And let's try this. And man, please. It ended up being the biggest waste of my time, the biggest waste of my energy, the biggest waste of my money. It ended up being the biggest waste of my entire life. And everybody wants to hurt me because at the end of the day, I never had anything to do with it. I got plausible deniability, my G. Because I wasn't involved. I wasn't involved in nobody's conversations. Nobody plotted with me. Nobody told me nothing. Nobody has spoken to me in 3 years. Nobody. Nobody involved in the bullshit has said 2 words to me. Till probably like recently. And that's only because it was obvious people couldn't run with that Arona's crazy thing anymore. I feel just like Dave Chappelle. Like, I get it. But yeah, it's so funny. All of these cards showed up. And I told people on the podcast, and I also posted on my social media, this was the first card to show up. When all that stuff started happening, when all that stuff started coming out the woodwork, this was the first card that showed up. This and like angel number 807, which is, it's deception. I was a sacrificial lamb. I was collateral damage between some other issues that was happening between a bunch of grown athletes. Things that had nothing to do with me. And here we go. People sent up here texting me and all this other stuff. Yes. All in my inbox. For what? Why? Where are you in real physical life when I need to talk to people? Where are you? Like, why are you in my box? Get out of here. Corny ass shit. Anyway, I want to get away from these people. Anytime my life is really in danger, I'll get these emails from the NRA to let them know that they know my location. Yeah, that's been happening for a year. It happens every time. And they probably thought I was going to swipe my debit card for the purchase of this, and I didn't. Throwing that in the trash. Oh, I should have blocked flappers. I don't deal with flappers. Like, I don't have nothing against Barbara or, her man or whatever. But back when I was doing their shows at the Ice House or whatever, I thought we was cool. I even won some of the competitions and stuff. But once they got that comedy club, she got real nasty with me. And I don't even know what the hell it was about. I ain't never, whatever. Oh, here, we can show this. Why is this heifer texting me? Why the hell? What is she texting me for? Y'all can read it. Who does this? I didn't even know about the little bitch until November. I didn't even care. I hope she pays his water bill in Miami while you sitting up here begging everybody else for money. Huh? Let's talk about why you're moving to Florida. Why y'all sitting up here harassing me? this is literally what she wrote. She can't even spell. And so I really hope this isn't her because I'm like, dude, you're an idiot. You're so quick to spit his name on shit. I hope his name tastes like ass when you speak it. If you see me in the streets, your shitty bag, you can keep it. That'll be our secret. See me? G-Wiz motherfuckers in my beers. Like, I'm like, why is she rhyming? Do you know my niggas from tourists be kidnapping kids? Okay, what is this? She go, you got the gall. All I gotta do is make one phone call. All y'all disappear by tomorrow. Yeah, bitch, this rhyme is borrowed. Carry on. And I'm like, this nigga. Yeah, and this is no. We got to show the people this because this is retarded. Who has the time and energy for this? Who? Who has time and energy for this? Don't give me no fucking soulmate Pinterest bullshit. I'm like, how are you sending me this for? Bitch, I'm not in 6th grade. The fuck? Ugh. This is the stupid shit that happens. I wonder, does she really think they know her? Bitch, get out of my inbox. Like I said, I ain't got time. Motherfucker coming to me telling me what's happening in power, how people be making fun of him about his wife and all these other stuff. You know, he has no problem blabbermouthing and telling everybody else's business because he can't hold a conversation. And he is very, like, when it comes to talking about himself, like, he just, you know, he don't know what to say. He don't know what to talk about. He don't know what to do. And it just scares the living crap out of him. And I was patient. I knew where that energy was coming from. And I really tried with this person. I really tried. But that's what I get for trying. That's what I get for being a person with a big heart and a giver. Stop texting me. Get the fuck away from me. Like, I don't know how many ways that I can keep communicating that I don't want this. But yeah, like, and then you hate it on my YouTube money, like you keep doing it. Like, get off my page, get off my life, get off my dick, move. Like, I do want to be regular now. And I just want to make my little YouTube videos, get me a little mobile home, and make videos and post and travel the country and share my adventures and all of that. And I'm going to have multiple pages. I've already been working on putting together multiple pages, but it be little things that people are doing behind the scenes that irritate the living shit out of me, that stifle what I'm doing. And I've had enough of it. I've had enough of it. I ain't got even time for this. I'm gonna put this podcast out, and then I'm gonna work on my online course. And my online course was supposed to debut by February 1st, and that's what I was focused on. I was putting together my rock creation stuff because I was working on things, but people had to hate on what I was working on because they don't like themselves. God bless them. I'm so sad that they hate themselves like that they have to be so mean and focus on me. That sucks. It really sucks. But I'm not gonna be taking on all that negative energy or any of that anymore. I'm going to go and find me somewhere to be and get away from everybody else. And I'm going to put out my web courses. I'm going to put out my digital products. I was supposed to be at a workshop today about, the book thing, but so much bullshit was sent to me via email about my storage space, and then I go to check on the storage space and tell them, okay, well, I don't even want this. I'll take all my stuff. And they wouldn't give me my stuff. I'm like, you know what? Too much drama. Okay, that's fine. I'll work up and get together this little money however I got to figure it out. I'm going to pay y'all. I'm going to get my stuff. And I don't have to ever see y'all ever again. When I get another space to do whatever, y'all won't know shit about it. And that's it. I'm just not going to be bothered at all. I'm not. I'll figure out something else. I will literally pay comedians to let me store it somewhere before I deal with that shit ever again. In fact, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to find somebody and literally pay them to let me throw it in a corner that they don't give a shit about. It's just a chair and some stuff, but it's important to me, the stuff that I kept. So that's my plans. That's what I'm doing. I have a whole lot that I'm about to share on the podcast, but because of what's happening in here, I won't do it in here no more. I want to go where I can be uninterrupted and where people ain't trying to cloud chase and be on dumb shit. So I'll make sure that I mark all over this video that this isn't for kids and this channel isn't for kids. But I do not. That's not email, sweetie. I don't give a fuck whose email it is. I don't care. I don't want to see neither one of them ever again. They can go enjoy. They don't even live here, so they can just keep that circus in New York and in New Jersey. I don't want to be bothered. I really don't. I really don't. And when I'm outside of the country, I don't want to see them either. Like, it's done. It's done. It's donezo. I don't want nothing to do with it. So, anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. I'll be back a little later, and then I'll talk to y'all. All right, peace. Tiffany Sykes. And then, all right, great. All right, cool. Bye-bye.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.